What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be checking out the special announcement that Honeyland has in terms of their early access. They also have the commemorative NFTs on the way, and we will check out their website as well. If you want to see the review that I did for Honeyland before, you can go ahead and check out the channel. That way you can do your own research and see if this project is good for you. Before I start, I just wanted to quickly give you a message that I'm not a professional advisor, and this video is purely for informational and educational purposes only, so let's get it on. Alright guys, so landing page of Honeyland, link will be in the description of the video, but this is actually the better part. I will also put the link of the link tree in the description of the video. That way when you do your own research and would like to apply for the guest list, you can go ahead and check out this one right here. Apply for guest list, buy on Magic Eden. They have the Discord here, the website. You can also watch a trailer, buy on Fractal, incubate your egg. They also have giveaways and their YouTube channel, which I always encourage you guys to always do your own research before investing into projects. But checking out this Honeyland, guys, looking at their website and the things that are in store about this project, like the dates, the roadmap, you have the partners here as well, and the gameplay. I mean, the plans for the gameplay, like they have the harvesting, the hunting, the attacking, and like the breeding as well, which they call mating, plus the fact that they are in the Solana blockchain. Before I start, guys, I wanted to let you know that starting on October 5th, guys, the waitlist for the early access will be starting, and this is where you can go to. I will also put the link in the description of the video. That way you can put your details here and you can apply to be included in that alpha for the early access waitlist. So there's also a bonus token airdrop for players who complete through a certain level. So more details about that will be released in the latter part. So make sure to subscribe in the channel and click that notification bell. That way when we upload the video for that update, you will definitely be notified first, okay? So you can go ahead and put your email address here. You can put your Discord ID, the Twitter, and your phone. So Android or iOS, you can go ahead and put that in there. So just a quick run through, and again, if you would like to check out the complete review, introductory review of Honeyland, go ahead and check out the channel. I created a video on that as well. So let's go ahead and click on gameplay. So it's harvesting. Strategically send your bees on harvesting missions to collect honey from specific lands. Amount of honey a player can earn is dependent on the strength of their colony, strategic decisions, and reduced idle time. So they also have hunting there. They have attacking, so you can do PvP. So send swarms of your bees to steal honey from other players by risking your own honey. This is not for the faint of heart. Sorry. So for mating, mate your queen bee and bees to grow your colonies of bees. These bees can be used to go on missions, become playable characters in other games within the Honeyverse, or be sold and traded. Again, guys, go ahead and check out the complete video review for that one in the channel, okay? So just an additional information for you guys. The early access will run for 3 weeks, then it will close, and then the alpha will then open on at the end of October. All right, if you have any questions about this project, like how you can join or anything like that, go ahead and put it in the comment section below, and we'll make sure to answer those questions as we read them, okay? So this will be it for this video, guys. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.